Before we explore all 33 cooking verbs, let's start with 4 essentials. They all describe cutting food, but each one is a bit different. First, we have cut. This is the most general verb. It simply means to divide something with a knife, regardless of the shape or the size. For example, cut the chicken into pieces. Then, we have the verb slice. This means cutting food into thin, flat pieces. These pieces are called slices, and they can be either round or long and narrow. For example, slice the tomatoes for the salad. Another verb is chop. This means cutting something into rough, uneven pieces. Irregular chunks that don't need to look perfect. For example, chop the onions into large pieces. And finally, we have the verb dice. When you dice something, you cut it into small, even cubes. For example, dice the cheese into small cubes. Let's learn other cooking verbs. Another cooking verb is grate. It means to rub food against a grater in order to cut it into a lot of small pieces. For example, Sarah always grates carrots onto her salad. Peel. The verb peel means to remove the skin of fruit and vegetables. For example, Tom has been peeling potatoes all day. Whisk. The verb whisk means to beat eggs, cream, or another mixture quickly using a whisk in order to add air and make it light and fluffy. For example, Adam whisked the cake mix. Stir. To stir means to mix something by moving a spoon or another tool around in a circular motion. For example, stir the soup so it doesn't burn. Or, she stirred the sugar into her coffee. Blend. Blend means to mix things so they become one. For example, blend the fruits to make a smoothie. Mash. The verb mash means to crush food, usually after cooking it, so that it forms a soft mass. For example, she mashed the carrots in the pot. Freeze. Freeze means to store food at a very low temperature so it becomes hard and can last much longer without going bad. For example, you can freeze bread so it stays fresh for many days. Melt. Melt means to heat something until it becomes liquid. It's the opposite of freeze. For example, heat the butter until it melts. Pour. Pour means to make a liquid come out of a container by tilting it. For example, he poured wine from a bottle into a glass.
Enjoying the lesson? Give it a like. It keeps the channel glowing.
Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something firmly with your hand. For example, he squeezed the lemon to get the juice. Taste. Taste means to put something in your mouth to check its flavor. For example, he tasted the soup to see if it needed salt. Roll out. Roll out means to make something flat and smooth by moving a rolling pin or another round tool over it. For example, she rolled out the dough to make it thin. Knead. Knead means to press, fold, and stretch dough with your hands. For example, knead the dough for 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. Spread. Spread means to cover something with a soft food by moving it around. For example, spread butter on the bread. Season. Season means to add flavor to food, for example, with salt, pepper, herbs, or spices to improve its taste. For example, don't forget to season the chicken before cooking. Sprinkle. To sprinkle means to drop small pieces or tiny drops of something over a surface, usually in a light, scattered way. For example, she sprinkled sugar on top of the cake. Break. To break means to smash something into pieces or separate it into parts, usually by force or accident. For example, break the eggs into a bowl. Drain. To drain means to remove liquid from something, usually by letting it flow out through a hole, a strainer, or a colander. For example, drain the pasta before you add the sauce. To boil means to heat water or food until it becomes very hot and starts to bubble. For example, boil the potatoes until they are soft. To simmer means to cook food gently in hot liquid that is just below boiling. For example, simmer the soup for 20 minutes to bring out the flavor. Boil over. Boil over means when a liquid gets so hot that it rises up and flows over the edge of the pot. For example, take the milk off the heat before it boils over. Sauté means to cook food in oil or fat over heat, usually until it is brown. For example, sauté the onions for 5 minutes. Fry. To fry means to cook food in hot oil or fat, usually in a pan. For example, don't fry the chicken for too long or it will dry out. Grill. To grill means to cook food over direct heat, usually over fire or hot coals, on a metal frame. For example, John was grilling chicken in the backyard. Bake. Bake means to cook food inside an oven using dry heat without adding liquid or fat. For example, we baked a chocolate cake for her birthday. To steam means to cook food using steam. For example, steam the vegetables until they're tender. Roast. To roast means to cook food in an oven or over a fire using dry heat. For example, they roasted a whole chicken on Sunday. To dip means to put something into a liquid for a short time. For example, he dipped the bread into the sauce. Weigh. To weigh means to measure how heavy something is, usually using a scale. For example, please weigh the flour before adding it to the bowl.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.